Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the Ukulele Fool. Hopefully you caught the lesson on hot corn, cold corn. You've got a chord chart. You either got it in class or you got it from patreon.com, link down below. Let's get started. This is our slowest of 3 play-alongs. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. See Uncle Bill, he's a rarin' and a pitchin'. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Ain't had a drink since I don't know when. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Chickens are a-hollering, toenails a-flying. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. How'd you do? Let me know in the comments down below if you feel like, it's maybe like at a B level, maybe B plus, then move along to the next tempo. Let's just move that tempo or speed of the beat just a little bit faster. You probably won't even notice that it's faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. See Uncle Bill, he's a rarin' and a pitchin'. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Ain't had a drink since I don't know when. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demi-jump. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. flying. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Chickens are a-hollering and toenails are flying. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see ya in the morning. Yes, sir. If you're feeling comfortable with that tempo, move ahead and do the next one. It'll be more challenging, that's for sure. If you're not feeling comfortable, just rewind and repeat until you got it. Then come and join me. I'm glad you made it this far. This is our last tempo on hot corn, cold corn. This should be a challenge for you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. Upstairs, downstairs, down in the kitchen. See Uncle Bill, he's a raring and a pitching. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Old Aunt Peggy, won't you fill them up again? Ain't had a drink since I don't know when. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Yonder comes the preacher and the children are a-crying. Yonder comes the preacher, the children are a-crying. Chickens are a-hollering and toenails are flying. Yes, sir. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Hot corn, cold corn, bring along a demijohn. Fare thee well, Uncle Bill, see you in the morning. Yes, sir. All right, high five. I'm so glad you made it this far. Keep going. I hope that you found this instructional video useful to your growth as a ukulele player. Please hit like and subscribe, and even better, leave a comment for me. I am told that there's algorithms and search engine things and all this kind of stuff on YouTube that will make it easier for other aspiring ukulele players to find this video. Thanks so much, and I hope you're having a great time playing your ukulele.